So turbo gone. So today, my day off, guys. But anybody that has a project car knows that you don't get days off. They're just days to work on your car. And today, I'm gonna be doing what I feared the most. And what's that fear, you may ask? Well, we're gonna look into whatever's going on with this. I'm gonna take the intercooler off. It has a misfire cylinder 2, which sucks because I gotta take the intercooler off. And then hopefully I don't discover something that is gonna scare me too much. I'm hoping that it's just a turbo. So what I'm gonna do is basically see what's going on. I'm gonna switch the coil pack, and I also got a new spark plug for cylinder 2. And hopefully that'll get rid of the misfire. And if it doesn't get rid of the misfire, I'll switch it out. And if it goes to another cylinder, then I know my coil pack is bad. But let's just hope it's a coil pack, spark plug, and that the problem goes away. The turbo's still probably gonna be out, but I'd rather much deal with the turbo than a bad engine. But I'll check in with a little bit and we'll see what happens, guys. Thank God for power tools, made light work of taking off the intercooler. So now we're gonna take off coil pack number 2 and see what's going on. So what I'm thinking happened, and like I said, I don't know for sure, is when my check valve wasn't working, I think the gasket that's over the coils probably went bad. So I'm thinking that the spark plug is gonna be full of oil. So let's see. So just maybe I was right. Let's see. So as you can see, that spark plug's not looking real well. One of these coil packs and see if that fixes the issue. So I'm gonna let it chill for a little bit, maybe get some power back. And hey, at least the AC works. But it looks like the misfire on cylinder 2 didn't come back. So I'm gonna let it chill for a little bit, see what happens. The smoke. Woo, look at this. So the smoke is pretty bad. The turbo's gone. So there's no hope for the turbo. This car is definitely gonna be out for a little while. So that is the turbo smoking, guys. So you can see it dumped a whole bunch of oil. Well, I didn't forget. I didn't clamp those down. So turbo gone. The misfire didn't come back to cylinder 2. So makes me think that the motor is healthy. Probably just the turbo needs to be replaced. And so, but you tell me, guys. It did get a random multiple misfire, but the battery is extremely dead on the car. As soon as it comes off that jumper pack, it dies. So let me know what you guys think. But the turbo, it's gone. It's guys think I should do next, but for me, I think I'm gonna buy a nice cover for the car and put it away for the year. Maybe come back to it in the fall. So I'll keep you guys updated. Let me know what you guys think the problem is to this, and keep boosting.